What's up everybody, it's Simon. I'm here with Tech Visibility. I want to go ahead and actually do an unboxing of a product that you've probably seen unboxed many times before, but these still are my favorite earbuds. It's the Apple Airpods. This is not the Pro version. I own the Pro version, the Power Beats, and a bunch of other ones that you've seen here on my channel. These AirPods, for whatever reason, with the wireless charging case, are my favorite. I personally find them to be the most used out of my collection. And in this video, I want to go ahead and do an unboxing, show you what they come with, and give you why I think this is the best bang for buck if you are going to go ahead and get AirPods. So before I get into this unboxing, go ahead, hit the like button for us, subscribe to our channel, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product reviews and news in regards to tech, and I appreciate it. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so we have the AirPods box here. I got my handy shrink wrap remover. Now this thing's sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And there it goes. So it's what you would expect from an Apple product. A very nice box design, very white and kind of clean, modern looking. In here you have your AirPods manual that gives you some information on connecting the AirPods, how to charge it. Pretty simple. So this is the wireless charging, and the big difference between the wireless charging and the regular case is it has this little indicator here that lets you know it's wireless charging. Very simple to use these AirPods. As soon as you open them, they are gonna start blinking. So once I open my phone here, you have your AirPods and you just click connect. And that's how easy it works with the Apple product. And I already own a pair, as I said. In terms of the quality of these, they fit in my ear perfectly. As soon as you plug them in, your Bluetooth switches, it's connected. The case is has a very nice snap back to it. There is a connection button on the back if you're trying to pair it. These are my favorite because it's a tiny case, good battery life. With the wireless charging case, you're gonna get these at $149.99 or so. They plug in with the lightning connection. They include the lightning connector, which is really neat, but they do not give you the USB attachment to plug it in here. Everything is pretty nice with this setup. You're going to need your own USB connection, and that's pretty much the unboxing. So I'll give you my reasons as to why these are my favorite. First, they're affordable. You're getting some really good sound quality. They're transparent, so you could wear these and still do some active sports and still be able to not feel like your ear is in noise canceling mode or blocked. For example, I took the Power Beats Pro skiing one time. That did not do me any favors. I felt like my ear was jammed with the helmet. I've ridden a motorcycle with the Power Beats and the AirPods Pro, and I didn't like how they feel. These tend to fit my ear perfectly with their design and shape. And on top of that, they don't have these rubber capsules that go into your ear. They're simply just this plastic piece, to me, that feels a little bit more conforming to my earlobe, and it feels a little bit more comfortable. The sound quality on these, they're heavily reviewed, and I'm sure a lot of you guys own them, but the sound quality on these compares, in my opinion, to some of the best earbuds on the market. These emphasize the mids, the lows, and the treble. So if you're looking for something with more bass, or if you're listening to maybe rap music or hip hop or something that requires a lot of bass, I would definitely go with the Power Beats Pro or maybe even the AirPods Pro to get that extra bass. For me, I like my music kind of not emphasizing one type of bass or treble or mids. I like it to be a quality earbud all the way around and still be able to use it for phone calls. These have the Siri integration as well, so you could say, hey Siri, and then ask any type of questions. You could also turn down volume. To answer the calls, you double tap. To end calls, you double tap. It's very simple. There's no press like the Pro Series, the AirPods Pro. It's just a double tap. And what's funny is because I use these a lot, I still end up double tapping my AirPods Pro model. One drawback maybe, for example, for volume, if your phone is being charged or you're using it in a gym, etc., and it's on the floor, you have to say, hey Siri, turn up the volume, and that would turn up the volume. You can't adjust the volume from the AirPod itself. That is a downside in my opinion, and sometimes a little bit annoying, because if you're working out at a gym or you're doing something around other people and you say it, people are looking at you weird. Now you get up to 5 hours of battery life on these for listening music or talk time. Now a 15-minute recharge in the case gives you an additional 3 hours. And then this case can recharge you for a total of 24 hours of battery life. And that's pretty incredible. So within 15 minutes, you get another 3 hours of listening. A lot of people use one or the other if they have a long commute, and that'll give you full time to talk to somebody. And talking to someone with just one AirPod in is pretty convenient, and you hear them clearly. So these are very clear, very good quality in terms of music and bass. Love them. I would not get rid of these. And they are my favorite earbuds on the market today, even with the AirPods Pro. So if you are a bass fanatic, maybe look at the AirPods Pro. They are a little bit shorter, a little bit wider or girthier, but overall for calls and everyday use, the AirPods case is the best. If you need the wireless charging, this is a great option with the case. If you don't, you save about $30, and you can get these for about $100 to $120 depending where you buy them, and I think that's a hell of a deal. If you do have these, and you already know, this gets super dirty. It's a pain in the butt to clean these. It looks disgusting with all the black that gets around there. You get some clay putty and you form the clay in the positionings, and that will clean your AirPods case pretty easily because it'll form right into where it gets dirty and pull all that dirt out. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this review of the Apple AirPods and unboxing. They are my favorite. Check out my other reviews on the AirPods or any other earbuds on the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to our channel as well, and check out techvisibility.com. We appreciate all your feedback, your likes, your subscribes, and we love doing these unboxing videos for you guys, so we hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys here in the next video. Thank you.